I want to say that I've been in a very bad losing streak, but God willing, in the name of God, today we break the chains. I genuinely feel good. Um, I got God on my side. Um, Coming into market open, I'm in bullish. I'm looking to target previous day high, but obviously, since we're in a very weird market range, like we're pretty much ranging. Like if you just look at the overall, okay, it's not rangy, but look at the wicks. Like look at this. We haven't really been, if you really dissect it fully, we haven't been going, like we haven't had a clean price action this week. So I mean, right now, like we have tapped into this 15 minute, and um I am looking for a 5 minute CISD, but hey, does this mean I'm gonna have to execute? No, I'm just gonna have to be patient till market opens. But my bias as well is bullish for ES as well. We got previous day. I mean, now that I look at it now in the 4 hour, we got this low, with this low, this low. I mean, there's a potential for shorts again. I would want to see clean structure, but it's just the way that we are in, what type of like range we're in right now, and it just looks horrible to trade. Um, we're in a very trash price action, I would say, and we have rejected within this point over here. If you realize, look, one, two. So I gotta be very careful when we're around this area specifically. We have rejected. If you look at the 4 hour, hasn't been as clean as I wanted to. Like this is a daily high over here, but hey, today we could see very good clean price action, but I'm just looking at it as a overall. I'm not liking this, but again, I would need like a 5 minute CSD. In this sort of conditions, like a 1 minute isn't enough. Like there could be a reversal from here. Um, let's see what price does today. Patience, composure. I might. I'm literally like less than like one contract of blowing the account. Like if you see my max drawdowns 149, 256. So I need to about $700, which is like less than one contract. But again, am I gonna care about it? No. I'm just gonna show full transparency. I want this to be the most transparent video ever. One of the most transparent videos ever. So when I look back at these times, you'll realize. But now I identified that we're still in a very choppy price. Like you can't compare, for example, a few weeks later, or a few weeks ago, like you just can't compare the price. Compare like this, for example. This is cleaner, much cleaner than this. It's just like rangy. Like look, yesterday I took a loss, but ranging price action. So in a 15 minute, it looks like we are. I don't know. We've got so much liquidity below here as well. Look, boom, look, all of this so sad. Uh, so I mean, would this 15 minute hold as much as it would? I would like to, perhaps not. But again, the draw is very clear, which is previous day high. Let's see what we do, man. Obviously, I wouldn't just take a crazy execution now, but let's see what we do, man. But overall, I would like to see from now the next 15 minute candle to be a bullish candle. Otherwise, this could be a very bad. It would just be bad. So I expect a move up and a move. I expect a move up. Just a continuation to this previous day high. Again, we gotta be careful. So as soon as we go here, if we are near this point, which is like a very interesting point. Um, look, for example, look, see the way it's got going. It's looking like it's being disrespected. We haven't hit the midpoint of this, but by the way it's looking, it's not looking good, you know. But we still are in this 15 minute. There's so many things that could happen. We could go to previous day low. Price can change in a matter of seconds. So my bias coming into the market open is quite bullish, but again, you gotta be careful. Okay, we're in a very interesting price point. I'm just reading back my notes. So like, yeah, when price fails to break in a previous range, e.g., we were ranging, and then price has a huge candle, does not mean we're gonna break above. For example, yesterday was kind of like in a rangy price action, and then I thought this was a break, but if you realize over here, it was just a liquidity grab of this. We didn't even manage to break. So then when price decided to come back to this point, yeah, it was horrid, but we learned from all of these mistakes. We just learned it. Right now, there's not much that I can do, that I can say, but hey, that's life. Ideally, if it really, ideally, we're probably gonna take. I don't know, man. Today's a very interesting day. That's all I want to say. But yeah, let me stop recording and let's just wait 6 minutes just of me waffling. So what I want to say is, we've got data loads here, data loads here. We are looking like, it looks like we're disrespecting this gap that got created. We still haven't made any confirmations yet. I mean, you could be like, oh, like take a trade here. But I don't know. Like with me, this is not my cup of tea. I don't take these sort of trades. And yeah, like we're just waiting to see what price does. Um, what would I want to see before going bearish, bro? Like, uh, this is tough, you know. We're basically in a range right now, and trading in the range right now is this just. Again, I don't. It looks like I don't. I basically. It's not. It looks like I just don't like this sort of price action. This looks horrible. It looks like we're about to disrespect this gap as well. Yeah, boom. It would have hit data lows. Um, okay. Let's see, man. We've taken out this low. ES hasn't. So it looks like it wants to go up. Again, did we tap into anything? I mean, we have tapped into this 15 minute. Sorry. Again, we have tapped into this 15 minute. We have created SMT. There's no real confirmations to go higher anyways. It's just no CISD is gonna help me right now. This is a very chop, so in this sort of price conditions, bro, the best thing that you can do is just wait and be patient. But I need way more clarity. Do I have anything that would? Yeah, so we gotta be just patient. I can't lie. There's just nothing right now that I want to. There's no real entry. Like we have created SMT right now. Realistically, you just gotta be careful. The trade that you could have taken perhaps is there's not really a good trade to take. Like this was the trade that you could have taken. Again, I don't like taking these sort of trades. Okay, so what would be a confirmation? So we've just made a 5 minute. We tapped into a 15 minute several times, but we have just inversed a gap. I mean, we haven't inversed it unless this 15 minute closes, but See, this is a very, we need more confirmations for this to be like, okay. For example, I would want this to break above off of the 5 minute to look for a continuation higher, but hey, we got wait. This is a today's a hard day. I don't. So off of here we're acting nicely off of here, off of ES. Again, I want to see like a 5 minute. Again, I want to be very careful when price comes and takes this out. I'm respecting price today, bro. Off of yesterday. Okay, we'll see a move up. We'll create a SMT and it looks like we want to go higher. Again, let's just be patient in it. 5 minutes ASD. Because there's no confirmation right now to go off long here. Like just because you see a SMT doesn't mean anything, bro. Yeah, we could go lower. I don't know, man. I'm very like skeptical about today, man. Today, bro. I'm respecting price today, mate. If we break above here, okay, that's when I'm like, okay, this is a confirmation that we could go higher. But we need to kind of break off of the 5 minute candle closure. We can't just tap here and then just go lower. Because when we do this, when price looks like that, you don't want to be trading it. We're basically gone off just being, oh mate, I don't want to be taking this trade. I don't need to trade every day, man. Yeah. Nothing. This is nothing. I don't know if we want to go lower or higher, so it's an interesting point to be in. If we broke above here, nope, nothing, nothing, nothing. Well, we kind of already established previous day low. There's no clear break as well with ES. Oh yeah, there is a clear break. That was a nice reaction off of it. Again, doesn't look clean to me. You see this sort of press. Okay. So SMT plus a 15-minute tap. We just need some sort of confirmation that we want to go high on. So I want this 5 minute to break above this. Oh, but I'm just waiting for like a 5 minute fair value gap, whatnot. Like, look, wow, this is so bad. Price section is horrible, man. No confirmation. There's nothing that I want to. All of this looks horrible. I don't need to trade every day though, so as soon as we get that 5 minute, nice. We got that 5 minute break. Doesn't mean we're gonna go straight. We're gonna straight. As long as we break up off here, it's fine. But if we just reject like we're doing right now, fudge. And these sort of price, in this sort of conditions, you don't want to be, you just want to be hands off. That's one thing that I've learned. Like, it's giving me bad signals already to not trade. So look, we tapped into this 5 minute, rejected. Does this mean we're gonna go lower? Doesn't mean anything, mate. This does not mean absolutely anything, mate. Do you understand, mate? In order to confirm that we're gonna go bearish, we gotta actually break with intensity. And to be fair, again, it's not it's not ideal to be trading in these sort of conditions, mate. I think tomorrow. Wait, is tomorrow Friday? Oh, makes fucking sense. Price is probably waiting for CPI tomorrow. Let's see. Finally, getting the break that we need. Price is probably waiting for that CPI day. Not probably, it is. What the actual flip is this? One shot, one kill. Price is probably waiting for tomorrow, but I mean, bro, if there's a confirmation, yes. If not, like today is fucking trash. You know, does this mean if we break up here, does this mean straight bullish? No, but because I'm still thinking we're gonna go higher to take up here at least. I don't want to be taking a trade here. What is this, mate? Like, You could say two SMTs, bro. Could say that. This is horrid. We'll be patient with this trading. Patient. We also got these lows here. If it makes sense to go short, we tapped into this 5 minute. Looks like we're rejecting. Doesn't mean we can go and take a short off of it off rep. Nah, man. It's very that taking a short here and taking a long here is risky until we have like a clean break. Like I would rather wait for a very clean break where it shows okay, price wants to go here now. But even now, like, bro, okay, here there's no rule like nothing other than this 15, like nah mate. Okay, we go see previous day EQ as well. The way we're okay, we kind of like already shown that we want to go lower. Look, boom, SMT. Okay, both pairs are now looking like they want to go lower. We got Asia lows here that we could target. Okay, now what am I looking for? I'm looking for a okay. We've broken below here off of this 15 minute. So at least we're gonna go and take out this. Now what am I looking for? I'm looking for a 3 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. This would be nice. Yeah, pull button and go. Ah, nice, 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 nice. But we gotta be careful when we hit previous day EQ as well. But by the looks of it, looks like we wanna go lower. Let's see. We might go take out previous day low. Got Asia lows over here. Nice. Nice. We're just waiting. This is Asia lows, I believe. Yeah. This is New York low, I think it was. New York lunch low. So wait, have we taken anything here? No, not really. I think this is a very good continuation move to the downside. Again, we just gotta be wary and careful. It looks like we wanna go lower and we've got Asia lows here. So it's always best to wait. 2 minute. Look at this 2 minute. If we just get a tap and a reaction for fear, we can move. There's no reason why. Yeah, 2 minute. Let's see this. Let's see the top of this. We've got Asia lows here. I don't even know where Asia low is, bro. No. I think we're just gonna fucking dump. Ah, it's fine. You just gotta be patient in it. I don't have to take a shot to Asia low. Sometimes God tests you. But for me personally, now you kind of have to be careful here as well. Because taking a short hit is so stupid. It's very close to the draw. Like, it should just straight up. 3 minute. This is the type of trade you don't want to be trading, where it's just very close to the draw. Like, this is horrid. Again, when I'm 3 minute. Whoever took that straw. Could have taken that. Okay. I still believe we got all of these lows. I genuinely believe we're still gonna go lower. There's no reason why we shouldn't go lower. Look, we got this low as well. Yeah. Why would price wanna go higher now? We've rent taken out age low, but fuck, like for me this doesn't mean anything. Even here, like, did we tap into an hour? Whoa, this is like an hourly, but still, like, it just makes sense to go lower, mate. We've broken. Let's see. I still think we're gonna go lower. We're in the range though, so okay. I don't want to take a trade off of that 3 minute. 3 minutes don't like when we already taken like an objective like this, it's just best to wait for 5 minute rather than 3 minute because it's just less probable. Like we've already tapped into this 3 minute gap. Um, we could just take a trade based off that. But look, you know what I'm saying? Look, we got all of these lows here. I'm probably gonna, if I manage to get a very good entry, I was so clever on just not taking this. Oh, 15 minutes. It's still gonna. This is not gonna hold for no real reason. Uh, it it brings me a bit of FOMO, but it's better to just wait. Waiting is the best thing that you can do. I mean, bro, there's no reason to go higher when we got this low here. Yeah, it makes zero sense. But we're still again in a range, so I gotta be careful with how I trade. We tapped into this 3 minute. Does that mean I'm gonna take a short off rip? We're creating this 5 minute, so for me, this low looks clear. Let's see. 5 minute. Let's go on the 5 minute. We got that. If we get this CISD, it's kind of risky, but it's kind of annoying. But we tapped into this. Okay, we're gonna try this out. 45.
Order filled.
Let's see. Let's see this fail. What am I targeting? I'm targeting basically. Well, that's my break even. I don't know if it'll be a very good break-even point though. Did we take that out? Did we take that out? No, we haven't. It's a weird feel that I'd taken, but now we're taking it. Ideally, we should go break even, but it just makes no sense for me to go break even. So I could literally get stopped out right now. High key. Mix. Just hope. I think it should follow through. We should follow through, but hey, let's see. We should follow through. Go to that 1.6k mark. Honestly speaking, I'm putting my I'm trilling my stops here. Okay. When we're close to that low, that's what we'll go and break even. Okay. I'm not going break even just yet. I'll go break even when we're like near. After we push this, we can't see sort of a rejection. We have to see a push. We could try and look for previous data, but I think that would be too greedy on my behalf. Reason why I only risk one contract is because obviously, if you realize Max lost drawdown this peak, so ideally we should follow through, like just push. We should just push. There's no reason why price should go push. Um, let's just wait. Yeah, look, I don't like that. That is a really annoying, but we gotta be faithful. Did we hit like a 5 minute? Did we? Yeah, come on. It's being faithful to your strategy. Okay, we tapped into the 2 minute. We could, yeah, long days, long days, long days. If I, yeah, long days. Usually this just doesn't. I've seen this play not play out. Um, are we gonna have faith? I don't know. We got to see. We still got this low. Can't lie, I might just get fucked over here. If we see another candle, yeah, let's just see what we do here. Okay, if we inverse this, there's a chance. If we don't inverse this, it's game over. I'm gonna put this here, actually here. This would blow my account, but hey, I'm more than fine blowing this account now. We tapped into this 5-minute order block. We should see a continuation lower. We should just see a continuation lower. My draw is lower, but it's looking like I'm gonna get done. God will test you. Trust me. Okay. Okay. We can, let's see just like a crazy, crazy push down. Usually we should see a follow through. Did we? Yeah, we should see a follow through, I guess. Okay. hmm Yeah. Okay. Okay. We might add a one contract to this inverses. And I don't even know what. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. If we lose this, at least it's only 500 bucks. But considering my draw, I'm confident about my draw. We go break even here. This is another entry I could take, but I don't know where. Um, let's just be patient. Patient always does the job. If I lose the $600, that is calm. Okay, I want to see it move down. I don't want to be seeing this. No, I don't want to see it back. I don't want the fair value gap to get touched again. Otherwise, that kind of put me off. Not gonna lie. Even to be fair, it would put me off if we. Yeah, that puts me off. That puts me off. See, that puts me off. Did we create like a SMT or like anything like that? We haven't. I'm not adding no contract, no nothing, bro. Just wait. Yeah, theoretically speaking, we should just follow through. So did we get a fit? Yeah, long days. Yeah, long days, long days. That is not holding. Yeah, that is not holding. That's not gonna hold, mate. That is not holding. I would. Nope, that's not holding, mate. Well, let's see. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. Okay. Does this mean I'm fine? No, I just need. Mm-hmm. If we take out this low, we're putting our stops it. Once we break this low, break even. Okay. Theoretically speaking, okay. Oh, we broken that. Nice. Break even. Yeah, I mean, bro, real talk, we should just follow through now. I don't like when Price does this. Would this be a good break even trade? I think it would. Defo. Come on. Come on now. Seriously, gang? Ah, seriously, like. Alright. Can we see a move down? Can we? Like, can we just follow through? Break even trade won't be bad, but still, like, I'm confident that this straw is gonna get hit. Come on. This may be that. I'm not liking the way we're rejecting here, man. Come on. We're literally so close to the fucking draw. Like, could we just like, could this be the last candle? for the move down. And the only reason why I'm break even because I'm literally so close on blowing this account, which is why I'm trailing aggressively. If not, I still would have kept it here and I would have just let it run. Yeah, if it breaches that point, then obviously break even. But if we could just could we could God have mercy on me? God ain't gonna protect me in here. I mean, he will, but I'm saying like I can't just say God. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe I will. Why have little faith in me? That's what would Jesus say. Why have little faith in me?
Order filled.
Break even day, man. Um, bro, there's nothing that you can do, man. Genuinely speaking. Hope with one of these trades could have. But I'm done for the day. What a day. That was the problem with this trade. Like, I can't even have a one-to-one. This was my trade, but can't really do anything about this. What, 15 minute? Well, you wait for the 15. But after we do this big aggressive move, so unfortunate, man. Well, at least a break even there, I guess.